Today we talk about how can you register your email on your family album app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on settings down here, and you just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, so you just go down here, then you just click here on security settings here, just click on it. So then here you click on register here, then it's going to register your email on your family album app. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.